So today, I am testing my husband to see if he get tired just off of doing 3 jumps. I need you to just jump up and down 3 times. Let me see if you in shape.
You jump over there 3 times?
Yeah, but you gotta turn around.
Gotta turn around.
Yeah, look at the door.
What is it, exercise class?
Baby, turn your body around. Get off of me. Now just jump up and down 3 times.
What the fuck wrong with this fuck?
What you mean?
What the fuck you clapping for?
That wasn't me.
What the hell you mean that when you?
That was your buddy.
Get your ass on. That's lame ass shit. Fuck wrong with you?
Wait,
What you doing
wait.
all this?
Oh my God. That was not me.
Man, you get your
Something
lame
ain't
ass
right.
on, man. Go on. You lame